In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube channel step by step in less than 10 minutes if you are a beginner or you want to start your YouTube journey. Watch this video till end as I'm going to show you everything in my Android phone and how to set a channel for quick monetization.
So to create a new YouTube channel in 2026 on your mobile Android phone, the first thing you should do is to download your YouTube Studio app. And have your YouTube app on your phone. These two apps. So the next thing you should do is to go to your Gmail app. Head over to your Gmail app. So we are going to create new Google account now, which is email account. And if you already have your email account on your phone, you can use it. But as for a beginner, you are going to create a new brand Google account. So click on your profile. As you can see, I have many email here. So what you should do next, add new account. You click on Google. For those of people that have not gotten they have not created any email account on their phone yet, you create a new email. So I'm going to show you step by step how to create a new email. So if they bring you to this interface, you click on create account. Click on create account, then click on for my personal use. You click on for my personal use, then you put down your name. Put down your name. Put your last name. Technical. Then you put down your name. After you put down your name, you click on next. You select your gender, email, select your year. Then you click on next. After you fill those ones, you click on next. They will bring you to this interface. So now the Google have given you two option name to select. So they are giving me first Benjamin Technical Benjamin. Create your own email address. So if you want to create your own email address, you click on number 3. If you want to choose those ones Google account give you, so I'm going to click number 1. Click on number 1. Click on next. So you are going to add your password. After you put your password, they will bring you to this that you click on next. You choose in 1-step verification or in 4-step. You click on next. You still choose one of it. You scroll it up and click on next. You still choose one of these ones, scroll it up, click on next again. Still choose one of these, click it, scroll it up and click next. Then the last one, you click on next again. So you still scroll up and confirm. Still scroll up and agree. So we have gotten our new brand Google account, which is email account. So we have gotten our new brand email account. So you still click on keep 5 GB storage or unlock in 15 storage, anyone. You choose one. You click on continue. So done. So now we have a new email account, which is Google account. So we have a Google account now. What we should do next is to head over to your head over to your YouTube app where you create your channel. So head over to your YouTube app. So after you head over to your YouTube app, let's wait for it to open. So after you head over to your YouTube, after you open your YouTube app, the next thing you should do is to click your profile at the down. Then after I click the profile at the down, I want to switch to the new Google account I created. So I want to switch to the new Google account we created. So after you head over to your YouTube app, then you click on your profile at the down. So we have our interface now. You can see the new email I created, Benjamin Technical. So you click on create a channel. After you click a channel, then you edit your name. After you click on create a channel, you edit your name. After you edit your name, you put the name of your channel you want to use. Maybe Mary channel, Faith channel, any name you want to use. You put down your name, then click on save. So but me, I want to use this Benjamin Technical. So after you put down your name, you click on save. The next thing, you click on profile to add your profile picture. So click on your gallery. Let's wait for it to load so that we'll select a profile. So after you click on it, I'm going to use this profile as my profile pictures. After I add picture, you click on save as profile pictures. So after you put your profile picture, you put down your name. You fill these three: profile, name. Then you click on create a channel. So now we have gotten a new channel. So we are going to view our channel. You click on your profile, then they ask you to view your channel. You view your channel. This is my channel. Now. I have Benjamin Technical channel. So I'm not posting anything yet. The next thing you should do is to go to your YouTube studio to switch the account. Go to your YouTube studio. So once you go to your YouTube studio app, you switch to the account. So this is the new account that we just created. I create a new email account, which is Google account. Then I head over to YouTube app and create my channel. So now I've switched it to Google YouTube studio. I've switched the new account, the new channel to YouTube studio. This is where I'll be uploading my video through. So after you have created your channel like this, the last thing you should do to set up your channel is this. So head over to your Chrome browser. After you head over to your Chrome browser, click on the searching bar to click on YouTube dashboard. So after you click on YouTube dashboard, you click on this YouTube dashboard studio. You click on it. After you click on it, the next thing you should do, you click on your profile. After you click on your profile, make sure the profile is on the new YouTube that we created. Profile you create. The next thing you should do is to long press the first one. After you long press the first one, you click on open a new tab. Then the next thing you should do is to click on your three dots at the top to switch it to desktop mode. If you have your laptop, you don't need to switch to desktop site again, but if you don't have your laptop, you have to switch to desktop site. Click on the three dots at the top, then click on desktop site. So now we have opened a new, we have put it. So now we have added to desktop site. So the next thing you should do is to click on the open a new tab here where there's 18. So they'll bring you to this interface to click on channel. So let's wait for it. So here we are in the channel. So this is where you do the last setting. So through the process I've been showing you, YouTube dashboard.com. Then after they bring you to this interface, this is where you do your last setting. I mean, this is where you set your channel for proper growth and quick monetization. So after they bring you to this interface, this is where you set your YouTube channel, all those things. So after they bring you to this interface, the first thing you should do is to click on this icon to upload your channel and set some stuff. So after you click on this customization, then you zoom your channel. Here is banner image. You upload your banner image. You click on it to upload your banner image. This is your banner image. You click on it to upload your banner. You click on profile picture, then you scroll it down. If you scroll it down, here is where you put your description. You click on it. You add. So here now, you click on this description and add your description. After you add your description, then the next thing is you add your email. If you want brand to reach out to you, like if you want people to reach out to you for advert or business, anything, you add your email here so that people can reach out to you there. After this setting, so the next thing you should do, after you fill these ones, your name, your description, your email, your banner, your profile pictures, after you did all those things, the next thing you should do is to click on the setting icon at the down. Let me zoom it. So you look at the down where there is setting. So that is where you set your channel for main. That is the main setting you have to give your channel. So you click on setting. After you click on setting, they'll bring you to this interface: general, channel, and upload field permission. So the first thing you do is to click on channel. So after you click on channel, you click on this country of resident. If you are from USA, any country you are, you put down your country, but I'm from Nigeria. So you put your country, which is I'm from Nigeria. Then the main thing you have to do is to put down your keyword. The next thing you should do is to put down your keyword. Look at it. Add your keyword. So this is where YouTube will check and push your video. If your channel is about AI automation and faceless automation, or YouTube automation, or comedy, you put down your. So I want to use this channel for YouTube automation, which is how to grow on YouTube. So you put down Benjamin technical, then how to grow on YouTube. So after you put your description, the next thing you will do, you hit on save. After you put your keyword, your channel keyword, you click on save. After you did that, you still go to your setting again. After that, you still go to your setting. Once you click on setting, you can still click on channel. Then you click on advanced setting. Here they ask you if your video will be made for kids, all those things. Then you should not select anything here, just leave it. So after this place, you click on future eligibility. So once you click on future eligibility, you will see only one that is enabled. So what you should do, you should click the second one, intermediate feature. You click on it. So this means if you want to be uploading thumbnail, that is video cover on your video, you have to verify your phone number. You click on verify phone number. So if you click on verify phone number, then they'll bring you to this interface. After they bring you to this interface, you click on your mobile number. If you are in Nigeria, they require MTN number, not Glo number. But if you are from any other country, you can use your mobile number. So after you put down your mobile number, you click on test me with verification code. If you want to receive your verification code through CSM, you click on test me. Then after that, you click on next. Once you click on next, they will give you your verification code and you put it down. After you put it down, you click on verify. Then you verify it. After you verify your phone number, the second one will turn to enable, will turn to green. I don't know the color as the number one is. So the third one is if you keep uploading your video on YouTube for like 1 month to 2 months, then YouTube will verify if you are a robot or a human being. So you keep uploading your video for 1 month. After you do the setting here, you click on save. Then the next thing you have to click is to click on upload the field. So if you upload the field, you add a description to your channel. You can see here under upload the field, you will see basic information, advanced setting. Then you click under basic information. You put your title, you put your description, what your channel is all about. You describe it to people that will watch your channel. Then visibility, you put it on public, not on private. So after that one, you click on advanced setting. So they'll ask you license, language, and so you select your language, title, then category. So in this video is about education. I select my category, which is education. Then nothing to do here. You select your language. If you speak India, you put India. If you speak any language, French or any language, you put your language. But I'm speaking English, so you put your, I'm going to put English because I speak English. So you put your language. Then after you put your language, title and description language, you still put it. If not English or anything, you put it. So after you put your language, everything, you click on save. You click on save. After you save it here, then you head over to your YouTube app to view your channel. So we have created our channel. After you have set your channel properly from Chrome browser, after you have set your channel properly in Chrome browser, the next thing you should do is to hit your YouTube Studio app. To start posting your video consistency for quick monetization.
If you found this video thoughtful and helpful, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, because I post video about how to grow your YouTube channel and free AI app and YouTube automation. I will see you in my next video.